Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can use Google Maps for walking directions. So let's get right into it. So to use Google for walking directions, it is relatively easy. You can do so on the PC. However, on the PC or web version, it is very limited. It is much better to use it on the mobile version for this. However, I'll show you guys how you can do this on the PC version and explain in short how you can do it on the web or mobile as well. So to use the web version for walking instructions, I'll just select a starting area. So for example, Terrace Drive over here, or Bethesda Terrace, let's say, in Central Park, right click it, and then click directions from here. Then I'm going to select whichever other location I would like. So for example, B&B Bagels, click on it, and now I have directions. Now, in my case, it is already set up for walking. However, you can select walking from the menu here, and it'll give you one main route and two side routes, which usually last at least a minute or so longer, but they might last the same amount of time if you need alternatives. And that is pretty much it. Of course, you can add other destinations if one destination isn't enough for you. But yeah, that is pretty much how you can do it on the web version. On the mobile, you can turn on your location, which will be used as your starting point, and then you can click anywhere else to find another location where you would like to set your endpoint, and then you can select start from the bottom menu or directions. If you click directions, you will need to select walking again and then start navigation, or if you're in start, you just need to switch over into walking mode, and that's pretty much it. In walking mode, you can also use live view, where you can scan your surroundings if your location isn't activated, and once you scan your surroundings, it'll give you live updates on where you should continue your route, and you can just turn off the screen, put it in your pocket, and it'll alert you every time you need to make a turn or something like that. And that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.